Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your Pinterest boards. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will show you how to do this on both PC and mobile, starting with PC. On your boards section of your profile, if you click on the pen icon at the bottom right of the board you want to delete, you can go into the edit options and delete the board at the bottom left. Alternatively, from inside the board that you want to delete, you can click on the pen icon at the top left of the board to get to the editing options. Then click delete from the bottom left of the editing options. Click delete forever on the pop-up. Your board has now been deleted. I will now show you how to delete a board on the Pinterest mobile app. Open up the Pinterest app and go to your boards. Then hold down on the board you want to delete and slide your finger to the pen icon to open the editing options. Scroll to the bottom of the options and tap delete. Then tap delete again to confirm. Alternatively, you can open up the board you want to delete, tap the three dots button at the top right of the screen, then select Edit from the options. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the menu and tap on Delete Board. Click Delete again to confirm. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Pinterest tips and tricks.